abafowethu into zabantu lo umngani kaSiwele ngihamba naye
Siyapha.
as usual. We are bringing you another episode where we discuss, mainly we focused on the Club World Cup as our teams of Africa are playing. I think yesterday we Pela our match day. So we'll be just analyzing how they went and other teams as other big teams.
Shop bafethu kunjani Kabore Big Team? Focus wena. Sibuyile-ke Football Fusion. Okay, bhuti. Sicala ngani nge-World Cup? Club World Cup.
Yeah, Club World Cup.
What happened?
I think the first game, Al Ali, because Al Ali Group A, so it's the first game to look at. They were playing against Palmeiras, Brazil.
Badlala njani?
They were beaten 2-0.
They're out.
Yeah, basically, but they technically they are not out.
They have 1 point.
Yeah, they have got 1 point, but it's a mathematics as South Africa.
But
yeah,
it's quite disappointing because Al Ahly, I remember the first episode we said, based on what we saw,
yeah,
they were playing beautiful football and we believe they will win the second game because Babe was likely to throw the team miss.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
I felt like, but if the situation ever go,
There's no coming back. The way
what's their last game?
The situation looks like that's the last game or their last game.
They're playing up against
FC Porto.
Hayi bafana uphelile. Important now how many points?
Porto got 1 point as well, I think. Yeah.
So Inter Miami.
Yeah, they've got 1 point because they drew against the Palmeiras as well.
They throw, they lost.
Yeah, they drew, they lost against.
They won, yeah. Porto. Okay.
Yes.
So Porto drew and won in a 1 point. Inter Miami now 4 points. And then Al Ahly now 1. And Al Ahly
yeah, so now they need favors.
Inter Miami izodlala nale team yaseBrazil.
Yes, izodlala nale team yaseBrazil.
Ezahlupha leza.
Any into that you can say Brazilians in this competition they've done.
I saw a comment.
All of them.
I saw a comment there on our YouTube.
Yeah.
Somebody said, Tulani, so shut up, Coco, for supporting. Yeah, I don't see any African team in Lola group stages. What I see one of the teams from Melo, Brazil, stealing this team.
Yeah, honestly speaking, I think Brazilians they will eliminate themselves where they go head to head. Then again, we will find out good again. That's how they can, because they look strong, all of them, to be honest. I think it's 4 of them in this competition, and they are playing so well. In fact, South American teams, the only team that is not doing so well, Boca Juniors. I'm not sure, but I think they also won. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's the team that is not doing so well according to their standards.
So African football, it's not no joke.
Yeah, let's move on to
the Esperance won.
Esperance. Yes.
They won.
Yes,
they won.
Esperance. Honestly speaking, it took us by surprise. They could win that game.
Now they have 3 points.
Yes, now they've got 3 points.
Yeah,
they've got something to play for. Last game now.
Yeah,
if they can manage to win that game, that will be a lot.
Yeah.
So it's Esperance, which I know on our last episode.
Saturday we don't see them. We don't see them actually.
Yeah. Honestly speaking,
I still
teams, they are full of surprise.
I Esperance when still ngiboni. Esperance at least yes, Esperance Al Ahly are game off.
Nami, I still believe
I
they
came
won't go
off.
through. But hey, ngoba ngisho ngithi mina, they are full of surprises.
Why
this
that
season.
confirmed they
Yeah, that one
why
goes without saying.
why that is confirmed. All watch hey
Yeah.
Lodge hey, shout out to Tim because the Lodge.
Hey, shout out to
I shout out. Hey,
He rose the South African
Ukukile,
flag
Ukukile,
very high.
Ukukile.
Now, people, especially because the Sundowns, they played so well on their game
Yeah.
against the Dortmund. The game finished 4-3. That game, they played so well. So, with Lodge coming from South Africa as well, brings
Our football
yeah,
in Fagu umepe prop.
yes,
But
puts that out
Roland Williams.
no mistakes to happen in football.
Aye bo.
Yes, I know he was a big stage
Yes.
where he's supposed to.
You don't make a
perform.
high school mistake.
I do understand, but that's how Sundowns play. Sundowns they play from
Yeah, from the back.
Yes. It's risky, but because it doesn't happen too often to find a puta fanana lawa,
Yeah.
you won't see the risk. But it doesn't mean that there's no risk. For me, it's just another mistake. It's not something ongati now it's occurring over and over.
Yeah, yeah.
Which then brings a problem. Like a Madrid player who got a red card. That guy has
Aye, but you mean why?
Yeah. So yeah.
So for me, I think Sundown the fact was that's big and ngapha having own goal that's big. So I think South African teams were not ready for Sundown to come back.
Mm. I think
Hey,
I see where you're going. But it's
hey.
fine. I think another thing, man. Shout out to Ribeiro. Ribeiro, the first goal he scored.
Yo,
So that goal,
individual players.
that one is.
Yo,
It's not
yo.
a PSL player.
Ay, go the
do
material.
that.
Oh, the material PSL. Ay,
That one was so good, man.
Yeah. So overall,
Just give
Sundown,
credit where
Sundown since Italy,
Yeah.
the Club World Cup, every game they're taking it serious.
That's true.
Yeah. It could have been go to clear game at Dortmund. Now, but they couldn't believe the trial with the Sebakori, the win.
Yeah.
They were getting too comfortable, hence the small mistake like Ronald Williams. Because they already thought with I were in charge here. Then they started losing it. But they came to the part like how they always do. Well.
That's true. Yeah, but looking into the Sundowns game, as we lala against Sundowns, South
Oh
Africa,
yeah. Well,
how do you
on their last game,
what do you make of
a true Baba right and it.
that game? No, it's not guaranteed. It's not really guaranteed.
Yeah, but they need to win.
Yeah, that's what will.
I believe they will win.
That's what will.
They cut my support, they'll win.
You think so?
They'll win that game. Even one
the
not.
best team in the group, Fluminense.
Yeah, but look
They've got 4 points.
okay.
Dortmund is also has 4 points.
So Sundown will win and have 6 points.
If they win,
They'll win.
Okay. If you say so.
They'll win.
If ingawinning Sundowns, kuzomele kube khona into ethembisa ama-viewers.
Guys, what's your prediction? Sundowns will win that game. Come on.
Let us know in the comments.
Oh.
Don't forget to subscribe
Yes.
and click that notification
To.
button. You will know as soon as we drop something.
Yeah.
You will know immediately. Yeah.
Okay.
So just looking at other teams too. I know Guti, you
Whatever
have
that.
no interest, the only interest that you have is Africa because Manchester United is not there. We won't go to that history. But we have interest because for me, Real Madrid is yesterday they won.
So you are saying, so you believe they are contenders?
I don't believe they are contenders.
You have how many points now? You have 3.
You've
4.
We drew
The first one, and then 4 points.
4 points. We are top of the group.
We are doing our group stages.
Yeah, that's currently. I don't think Salzburg will give us a problem because our last game is Salzburg. That's currently.
All the best, my guy.
Yeah.
All the best.
I just want to note that guy Asensio. Those are the mistakes you will say. Really, this person you can't do that because the first game, Esaidlala 1-1, he made a penalty and they covered the little penalty because the second half, coach had to
Take
drop
him out.
take him out. And then we played Yapeli game 1-1. This one, 10 minutes into the game, the first 10 minutes, Ubamba umdlali. And if you really had a view of that one, even a slight tackle there would have worked.
Yes.
I'm sure.
Red card again.
Red card.
That's good. I'm going to in this game. So
it opens up a chance for.
but imagine you're over
more experience.
Next game, I'm go right.
All right.
Yes. Okay, I compare next game. So whoever was at the opposition, we'll make sure what he. Lot of my red card pelly, but still in the competition. Angangeni.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
But baba iBayern uthini ngeBayern?
Bayern Munich, they won 2-1.
Yes. 6 points.
Yeah, it's 6 points. They look promising. It's just that they beat that very low level team that we would have also beaten.
Build the confidence that
they
Leon to build the confidence.
As parents. Yeah, I do understand. Yeah. But yeah.
The PSG has you.
Hey, a PSG game, that one was.
I think in this Club World Cup, the more games on the street, it's full of surprises.
Yeah, it's full of surprises. Chelsea and Leo.
In Chelsea
was beaten.
Again?
No.
The first game is playing tomorrow. Yes.
The first game that they were beaten. The first game they won 2-0. The second game they were beaten 2-0.
Let's say Brazil.
Yeah.
I Brazil.
Yeah.
So the woman is like chemistry. Let them be interesting and we'll want to see. But I think this is what I saw. There are a few teams that are already qualified, right?
Yeah, Women's
City is. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think Juventus.
Yes, Juventus they won 4-1
against. Nah, you see.
Yes. Yeah.
So we're still waiting for one African team that's overconfident in ICT. This one. See.
Yeah.
Wednesday Sundown will do that.
I will pray. For the first time I'll be praying for Sundown. It'll be the first time. Just because I can see with the other team and the potential.
Yeah, from Africa. Yeah.
From all the teams. Yeah. Okay, moving on. Just touching base on the local football. There are some developments which happened today.
Yes.
This guy was complaining we don't have a coach.
Why are you signing players? You're signing players without a coach.
We woke up in some. I don't know if I would say it's good news.
Disturbing.
It's good news for those who like that coach. I mean, I want to say, who is that coach? I don't like. I wouldn't say I don't like. I don't know that.
And Marumo Galant.
But the only thing he did was just to make Marumo survive.
Yes. So with the quality that you have at Pirates, that guy can cook.
I mean, I'm not convinced. Honestly speaking, I'm not.
Because all of you is in front of Olo Urulan. That's the thing.
Well, me very personally.
Okay. So if Ngabi Pirates came back with a coach like how you guys we all didn't know if they came with another Spanish
team. This one who was a coach. I don't think making a team survive qualifies you to take a role with team that big, which was against Memorial Sundown that was dominating in Dortmund.
Wait. but angithi technical team ayishintshanga that much because you still have umlungisi ulo uMandla.
Ukhona uNcikazi.
Yes,
But who's got the final say?
it could be this guy, but
Yes.
whatever advice ozomnika wona uzoyi-understand it because it's more like uMandla culture and history unayo iqembu. From what Rivera abuildile uMandla unayo.
I'm not convinced.
So you're not happy with your coach?
I'm not really happy, but we'll give him a chance. At the end of the day, uzoscoach whether we like it or not, because the announcing he will coach us.
Nambe naye
He'll
Spain.
have to prove himself.
Nambe naye Spain. Sozwa ngani?
That's true. But I believe kule nto ye-identity. Sundowns ila ikhona because of football identity. If we just gonna take whoever coach that we see what
Available.
is available.
But I heard rumors ukuthi uRulani okay already bekakhuluma nePirates, but the reason why I end up sign now ukuthi bekafuna ukuza ne-assistant coach yakhe. And then iPirates was saying no, Mandla must be part of the technical team.
Yeah. I heard that.
Yes.
I heard that. So yeah.
They needed to make announcement. Kumele kuhanjwe kuye Spain.
It raises eyebrows because Umandla has been there for a long time. So surely the management now they trust Umandla.
Exactly.
But why would they want him to be there? So you think it's talking about what Manje, is he the one who's gonna be telling them the information that is happening on the ground?
Imp.
But let us know, guys.
Guys, are you happy with Pirates coach?
Signing of this coach. I don't even know his name. I will have to.
So I'm telling you nickname.
No,
I'm telling you nickname. My pencils of nickname. So that's the nickname.
Maybe he will do well with Pirates, but honestly speaking, me.
Let's give him benefit of the doubt because when you sign good players, you have good players.
Yeah.
The only thing that's broken is your coach is not there.
So if we have good players, but remember we have young players.
Yes.
Who need special attention. I'm not sure if that coach is the right coach to give.
Maybe Mandla will do that.
Attention.
Maybe Mandla will do that.
But Mandla is that coach. That will always be the case.
Yes.
He doesn't have a final say.
But I mean, like giving these small boys like attention, like proper coaching, one-on-one.
But
for only advantage, language barrier is over in King
something that is important. You can coach whatever. If you won't get the experience.
Yeah, that's the problem.
That's the problem.
I also saw something. Hey, Whoopi, isn't it? Pirates drop a clip that is going to drop 27 July. In the dressing room, Rivera ati, Salim, are you okay? Ati, no. That's okay, out. Wasn't caught. Hey. So now we're about to find out what's happening to Salim now.
Yeah, I know.
Nah, we're gonna find out.
Let's see. I'm sure they will drop it on their YouTube channel.
No, yes. So so we're waiting to see.
Oh, yeah.
Is it 27? I think 27 July. But
27 July.
Yeah.
That long. Okay, but yeah, we'll wait and see what is happening.
Yeah, what's been cooked.
With the documentaries, they do so well.
But at least we have a coach.
We should give them a round of applause.
Congrats on the coach. All the best. I have no comments. So, boy, I'm a game. And then there's my team. You see my team.
Yeah.
Once a week, I don't know what to say. Today, what to tell Sethetela one by one. Siyakhupha. Sethetela. But my contract aphela vele end of June.
Yeah.
So i-listing asaphuma athi
Yo, hey, talking about the list, I saw, was it Amazulu?
Hayiyo Amazulu yoyo. Nechipa. Amazulu cheaper. I think
one of them released like 17 players. That's a new team.
Now they want to cook. They want to cook. They want to cook. I'm not saying they want to cook, but so we can't wait for EPSL to be back, you know. Yeah. My guy, Milan Sharp.
Bafowethu, don't forget to subscribe channel yethu Football Fusion. Subscribe, like, and subscribe. In fact, because you just show how is the show going.
And comment, guys, and
Yeah,
comment.
yeah.
What's like now? I want to know. Guys, are you happy with this coach? Is this coach home to cook? I want to
I'm
know.
not the coach.
I don't know.
He
Young boys,
will have
thank
to
you.
prove himself. But yeah, thank you, Bafowethu. We'll see you on the next on another one.